A very warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Hope you all are fine and doing well. There are certain problems in our life, but there are lots of serious life that we thinking about that. That's the problem like love relation and love problem solution. So friends, don't worry about that. We are here with some tremendous spells. With that you can solve your love problem in couple of hours. As we all know that we like someone very badly, but we can't express our feeling to someone or lover or desired person, that we can't express our feeling. So this spell will 100% work for you, but condition is you have to see this video with the full of concentration, full of accuracy, and please don't skip any part of this video. If you want get your love back, want to solve your love problem, or you want to make control on your lover, so this video will work you for sure. To start this video, you have to take only two things, that is white paper and black marker. Nothing required expect of that for this spell. This spell will work very powerfully, accurately, and this spell will work direct to that person. You have to know that person's name, like your name is Tom and her name is Julie. So you have to write, this is very important part of this video, you have to write 143 and you have to make a sign of plus like this, and then you have to make sign of arrow downward to your lover's name side. You have to write your name, like for example your name is Tom, and then you have to write 143, that is the symbol of love, that is the number of love, that is the sign of love in all around the wall, and you have to make arrow, that is sign for that you want to express your feeling, you want to make that person in your side, so you have to make that arrow and you have to write 143, and then you have to make your arrow downwards your lover's name, like means it will express your feeling to your lover Julie. For example, it is the name of the girl, it is as a example, this is for example. If you are female, you are woman or your girl, if you want to do this spell on a man, then you have to put your name upward and down of your lover name. After that you have to do same thing on the another heart as well. Tom, you have to make this sign 2 times, 143, and Julie, you have to make these arrows. After that you have to make a big heart like this. You have to do this as well in the big heart, 1 4 3 and Julie. This spell will 100% work for you, but condition is that you can do this spell twice a week. Like twice a week means if you do this spell on Tuesday, then you have to do this spell on Friday. Like twice a week you can do that. It will work only for Tuesday and Friday, nothing expect of that, no day that you can do that. After that you have to do the one more condition. You have to do this spell early morning around 5 to 7. You have to do 5 to 7 this spell in morning AM. Thanks for watching our video. Thank you.